The defense line near Andriivka was impenetrable. German machine gunners held the high ground, unleashing a storm of fire on anything that moved. They were waiting for the assault, dug in and ready to kill. But the order was given: advance at all costs. Across the open killing fields, the infantry charged into the jaws of death. It was chaos. Every meter of ground was paid for in blood. Then the armor arrived. The roar of T-34 tanks signaled the counterattack. With steel giants providing cover, the soldiers pushed forward, breaking through the enemy suppression. The earth shook from the artillery. In the end, Andriivka became a graveyard of burning steel and shattered lives. The price of victory was absolute destruction.